But them see boy squash circle running for me. I was for your be a wild shot, dog. Yo, couple me game out of 40 as a dog.
And that really gone. You know some here couple shots squeeze off a tube of them. You know me other cook. Mother. Cook.
Yeah, brother. You know, see here a couple shots for you over this well, dog. Yeah, kind of afraid. You know, circle cross and see if one day kill them or something, dog.
You should just ease back and go and link it killing them and make it all away duck clean. So what we have to do now, and you have to tell me what we have to do now.
Alright, boy, chat. Yes, chat. Look, boy. Let's go for your shot and fall back.
Me not look at that and that no one hear you say. No watch no face, me go feet and come back, you know, long no kill a boy. Wow, I tell me what tell the boy scotch the boy and come and start talk about, you know. Hey, the boy didn't even know so me switch up. Hey, I don't think I have to go down with boy alcohol. Ah, squash! Squash! What that squash? Hold that. Hey, you know something on a boy in my yard. The artist, you know some boy I'm trying to come young up on me. Look, you know, I have to make the artist know what I'm going from. Can't the artist going so I can circle back the boy. Really, my dad? Boy, they even know me, you know. Boy, circle what the other boy circle back. Watch how me going. Look, you boy. Hey, my dog. Yo, come here now. Squash. Me not a gun. Still a gun, I'm a militant.
The boy, Walter and gone so long. So around about this, you know. Boy, switch up.
We not give boy chance to retaliate. Them make my one take months to see make a list. Them kill me brother, we still a mix up. Next best report, nobody not dead.
Man, the boy wants to them to drive for them all land. Boy, switch up.
Kill me brother, we still a mix up. Next best report, nobody not dead. Lick it back, buck your clown can't give me chat. Bigger brother, but him and your main man in the clan. This and a school challenge quiz. Drug
with clip long like giraffe neck. Now fret see for touch street lone darkness. People are flee like sitting in a